Assalamu alaikum grade 4 children. Today in this video children we are going to continue with lesson number 3, the fisherman and his wife. I explained the lesson. We covered the page number 40 and 41 children. Now today teacher will read the page number 42 and will explain you. The man went home and was also surprised to see that his wife standing at the door of a cottage. She said to him excitedly, "Look, what a lovely cottage. Now, isn't this much better?" There was a small front yard, a bedroom, a kitchen and a dining room. Everything was beautifully furnished and supplied with tin and brass utensils, just as it should be. Outside there was a little yard, and the chickens and ducks and a garden with the vegetables and fruits. So children, what this lady know, the fisherman's wife know, she got her wish. That means her wish was fulfilled by the fish. Which fish? That fish was known as, children, that was not ordinary fish. I said it was known as the what? Flounder. So that wish was fulfilled and they got the cottage, and that cottage was beautifully furnished with the all good and beautiful things. And children, there was a yard also, and there in that yard the chickens and the ducks were there, and the garden was there, in that many vegetables were there. "Yes," said the man, "this is quite enough. We can live here very well." "We will think about that," said the woman. Then they ate something and went to bed. 2 weeks passed, and the woman thought the something and said again, "Listen, husband, this cottage is too small. The yard and the garden are too little. The flounder could have given us a larger house. I would like to live in a large stone palace. Go back to the flounder and tell him to give us palace." The man went to the sea with a heavy heart and told the flounder about his wife's wish. "Go home, she is already standing in front of the door of the stone palace," said the flounder. Then this lady, she was very greedy. She was not happy with that cottage, and she wanted to have a stone palace. So she said to her husband, "Go back to the flounder and ask for the palace." But this man, he went very heavy heart. Heavy heart matlab he don't want to say, but he don't have courage to say no also to his wife. So with the heavy heart, he went to flounder and asked for the palace, and they got that palace, children. When he arrived back home, standing there was a large stone palace. His wife was standing on the stairways, about to enter. Taking him by the hand, she said in excitement, "Come inside." Then she said that when he went back, the palace was already there. So a wife was standing at the door only, and she said, "Come inside," to her husband. That means to fisherman. The wife had everything that anyone could possibly want. But the woman's greed kept increasing, and the next morning she told her husband, about her next wish. So I said no before only children that lady was very greedy, and that greed no it was increasing and it was going on and on. She wanted more and more whatever she had. Now she wanted to she wanted to be the king. Now she got the palace. Now she wanted to be the king. The fisherman asked her why she would have such a strange wish. So he was in the end, this fisherman. He asked why you have like this such a strange wish. Well, said the woman, even if you don't want to be the king, I want to be the king. She said, if you don't want to be the king, no problem. I want to be king. So go and say to Flounder that I want to be, that means my wife knows she want to be king. Make her king. In this way, the fisherman's wife had new demands every day, and the fisherman had to go back to the flounder to fulfill her wishes, no matter how strange they were. After becoming the king, she wanted to become the emperor. And then one day, she told the fisherman, see children, you know the difference between the king and the emperor. And the king, he has one small territory, one small piece of land on which he is ruling. But the emperor means the big part of the country, completely full country. Understand? So they are known as the emperor. So now this was going to increase on and on only children. And one day what she said, I want to become God. It was quite a strange children. Then that time what happened children? See, the man who was still not fully awake was a startled. Startled means shocked. And that he fell out of bed. He thought that he had misunderstood her. So, rubbing his eyes, he asked wife, what did you say? He was very shocked and he asked his wife that what did you say? क्या बोल रही हो तुम? Then, children, again that woman, she replied, she said, husband, she replied, I cannot stand it when I see the sun and the moon rising, and I cannot cause them to do so. I will not have a single hour of peace until I myself can cause them to rise. The fisherman went back to the flounder, fearing for his wife. He told the flounder about his worry that his wife has made the weirdest wish ever. The flounder was amazed and said, go home, she is sitting in her fleety shack again. So children, that time the flounder, he was very angry to listen that, and he said, go back home. Now she is in the hut only, she is in that dirty house only. I cannot fulfill this wish, and she is very greedy and she will get the what? So children, here this lady again, she was in a dirty house, fleety house. So here I am going to end the video children, and inshallah in the class some more explanation I will do. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah.